right there. Push. More. A little bit more. Oh, that's good. Get another screw. Go get another screw and put it in. Okay. Pull it out. Put the screw in the other way. You knew that, huh? Okay. Come on, pick it up. Up here. See this mark right here? Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Get another screw.
I get another screw.
Yeah. Pull it out. All right. Turn it around. There you go. We got to put one in the bottom. Okay. Pull the trigger.
The Pappy helping.
Okay, I'm helping you. Go ahead. A little bit more. Okay. Get another screw.
Up here.
Oh, we're going to put one right here.
Put it in.
Yeah. Get another screw.
Yep.
Put it in. Yeah, I'll do it.
Push it.
Yeah.
And there.
Okay, pick it up.
And here.
No, leave it out there. That holds the screw.
Don't hold it.
Okay, put it right here.
Let me help you.
Right here. A little bit more. Oh! Get another one.